Are you looking for the best benchtop drill press for woodworking in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 6 best benchtop drill press for woodworking that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 1, WEEND Variable Speed Drill Press. The WEEND 4208 8 inches. 5-speed drill press is a versatile and powerful tool that is perfect for a wide range of drilling applications. With its infinitely variable speed ranges from 580-3200 RPMs and LED readout display speed, the WEEND 4208 is able to handle even the most delicate and precise drilling jobs. Additionally, the spindle travel of 3 1/8 with easy-to-read, locking linear depth stop ensures accurate and repeatable drilling operations. The durable 2/3 horsepower induction motor develops ample torque and power, making the WEEND 4208 perfect for even the most challenging drilling projects. At number 2, WEEND Speed Benchtop Drill Press. The WEEND 8-inch 5-speed benchtop drill press is a versatile and powerful tool that is perfect for a wide range of drilling applications. The key chuck and onboard key storage make it easy to keep your bits and accessories organized and within easy reach. The 5 different speed settings allow you to customize your drilling speed to match the material you're working with, and the spindle travel of up to 2 inches makes it easy to drill deep holes. The cord length of 6 feet gives you plenty of room to move around, and the 1/3 HP induction motor provides plenty of power for even the most challenging projects. The work table is height adjustable and bevels up to 45 degrees left and right, making it easy to get the perfect angle for your project. At number 3, ShopFox Oscillating Drill Press. The WEEND 4208 8 inches. 5-speed drill press is a versatile and powerful tool that is perfect for a wide range of drilling applications. With its 5 different speed settings, you can drill through a variety of materials with ease. The 1/2 inch chuck also allows you to use a variety of drill bits for even more versatility. The built-in work light illuminates your work area, while the 2-inch dust port keeps your work area clean. 5 different speed settings for drilling through a variety of materials. Inch chuck for use with a variety of drill bits. Built-in work light illuminates your work area. Inch dust port keeps your work area clean. The WEEND 4208 is a great choice for both the home workshop and the professional shop. At number 4, DEWALT Drill Press. The Milwaukee 10-amp 2-speed right-angle drill is a powerful and versatile tool that is perfect for a variety of applications. With its 2-speed settings and overload protection electronics, this drill can handle even the most challenging projects. The quick change chuck system makes it easy to switch between drilling and driving, and the magnetic coolant bottle ensures that your drill stays cool during extended use. The 4 3/8 inch drill travel offers maximum capacity for even the most heavy-duty applications. If you are looking for a powerful and durable right-angle drill, the Milwaukee 10-amp 2-speed right-angle drill is a great option to consider. At number 5, Small Benchtop Drill Press. This is an excellent benchtop drill press for anyone who wants an easy-to-use and space-saving option for their drilling projects. The variable speed up to 8,500 RPM is great for different types of projects, and the 1-year manufacturer warranty gives you peace of mind in case anything goes wrong. The drill press measures 6 3/4 inches by 6 3/4 inches and weighs 13 pounds, so it's easy to move around and store. Overall, this is a great option for anyone looking for an affordable and easy-to-use benchtop drill press. At number 6, Genesis GDP Amp Drill Press. The WEEND 4.1 amp 5-speed induction motor drill press is a great tool for any shop. It has a powerful induction motor for quiet, smooth performance and a 5-speed gearbox. The 5/8 chuck handles larger bits and the table rotates 360 degrees and tilts 0 to 45 degrees. The easy-to-use rack and pinion table height adjustment and integrated work light make this drill press a great choice for any shop. The table rotates 360 degrees and tilts 0 to 45 degrees for easy use. So it's easy to move around and store. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.